Machida sencokola bafethu Sundowns. Okay, Orlando Pirates finally ibambene ne-Sundowns ngokule level ye-Sundowns in terms of equality nendlela edlala ngayo. The question is no. Bendibukele i-Pirates last week. Ndibukele ngoyidlala pha Orkant. Sedlala igame ezi-2 so far. Ndibukele itya ilanduze iMaccabi Tel Aviv yase-Israel kuba yatya i-Independiente yase-Ecuador. Idlala intswimpu Orlando Pirates, but ke safe ikule level ye-Sundowns ngoku sincola ngalo way apha ngoba kuseyitheni intida lo way and sithende imela lo way okay kuse-Pirates akabikho kwi-level ye-Sundowns, akakho equal to i-Sundowns, but ke amajita improve intswimpu so far. Lwe ndibonele last week Pirates ikwenye level but akabikho kwi-level ye-Sundowns. So amasingene apho majita kwizizathu, otherwise if eqala udibana channel le-content ungalahli ungalali jo ezantsi khona indawo ebhale subscribe emhlophe, cofa phaa subscribe zithole videos. Pirates ndibone last week ba okay se amajita ayatshisa ayibone jonga iPirates ibophile kule season kuzonyiwa. But still Sundowns siyayazi ba okay Sundowns sesi-standard amajita bone zonke i-team PSL bayise you are a good team but bone how good are you compared to the best? So Pirates second best team last season, and then it's in the next season is about second best team. So how close have they come to Sundowns? So far still only 2 games Orkan, but a high level opposition le bidlala nayo amajita pa Spain. Bidlala neLanús and Maccabi Tel Aviv plus ne-Independiente yase-Ecuador. So in terms of Lanús gap, okay, masiqale nge-squad i-signings Orlando Pirates ezenzileyo. Machita sign I think 4 players ezintsha. Siphelele Baloni central midfielder, Katlego Odladisa iwinger, uButhelezi Melusi Buthelezi goalkeeper, plus no Patrick Masangwani winger from SuperSport United. As a players, it's like Sundowns as the top team with all the money can't save okay ngathi yazifuna izo players Sundowns, and if we say yes but say we play ifuna Sundowns but say top level player there. So the question marks okay how much that grammar maybe azo improve ngoba kwenye high level eOrlando Pirates yabo, but last season much the kangabe khona iwe ngathi bayajonga you Lena I say best of the best in the country lamajita, but bona ane potential to be there, especially ngoku azoziprova more eOrlando Pirates. And again in terms of the continuity, Pirates improvile bona ndithenga lo continuity gama le-English is okay Pirates ayitshintshanga kakhulu bona isane nje players 4 so far, and then coach 1 sayigcinile coach last season sekhona phake Orlando Pirates ne-assistants ayo sekhona. Ne-players ezininzi Pirates say this season is a way unique and different by say the players 5 sane contract ezintsha, sane contract extension, so continuity in the squad say like we won bon, so lo way ends team even stronger than they were last season. Baleki lo ebholeni, so Pirates are stronger this season because bon continuity ikhona bon players in the squad is last season base succeed, players base win cup ezi-2 sekhona this season noqhubekeka, and so bon Pirates are more dangerous this season. So in terms of continuity, Pirates closer to Sundowns, like gap is a gusha. So big ups for Orlando Pirates for Louis. But at the same time, Sundowns now continuity now is up in the back corner. But the same coach now, Sundowns, same important players basically last season. Sundowns I think signing like about 3 players Kango, Bani la out Unku, sign le Brazilian Ulawe Ribeiro, Lucas Ribeiro, Costa. By Sundowns sign Junior Mendieta, and then otherwise same technical team Kilo Kombela, but Mangobo Sekona Panorolani, same technical team, same core players, born core team, born central defense, say one, central midfield, single match Taiwan, center forward, born Shalil Sekona, so sometimes still born Aishang. So Pirates nalapho it's like sometimes it's a high level much than I told. Maybe Pirates again it says Sundowns in a more CAF experience. Bonnie plays Sundowns zidlalele highest level Africa. Sekhona Sundowns. I-Pirates plays the Pirates phana like mbala amachita ne-experience ekhefa maybe ndicinga nje u-Erasmus manye amachita nje maybe bafana but bona experience ekhefa ayikho ngako la Pirates still Sundowns is a better. Also Sundowns are more internationals compared to Pirates. Bona Pirates internationals key Richard Ford top bona African experience for top experience. Olisanda international experience na Nigerian. Bani Ulaiding is out as a striker pa Evanga not really Gali Cameroon Chita Nali out Umar naye not really a Cameroonian international. So yabona even like Paris nayo international experience ayikho ngakho DN hot uyadlala Namibia but bona Namibia ayi deep and far kwi tournaments. So international experience is better Sundowns say in South Americans inazo ne-African players pa I think that uDennis Brian Onyango Uganda nali out idlala back Portugal Algeria angikho vedlala Algeria but say African experience amchita igrot Mendieta dlala Argentina ngavuya so shalulile international Namibia. So yeah, Sundowns again better than Pirates. Yeah, so and then okay, Pirates dlala grand pa in terms of performance nendlela ngai players ngoku Pirates yeah ndibonile pa dlala ne Maccabi Tel Aviv like say amachita equality ngidlala ngayo and say compete squad in like amachita compete for the start one so dlala grand perform amachita again like second game vela dominated team as Ecuador so Pirates ngidlala ngayo ne understanding the competition amongst the players much better. So Pirates are strong. The gap is gonna close, but Pirates are level is Sundowns. Nina machita ngicangandoni nganincola pa comments bafethu ndinive views zenu bakhe Pirates ngiyavumelana nami nawo kanya but Pirates are level is Sundowns. Otherwise if you can't buy channel content machita ngocofa subscribe ungalali Joe ezansi khona ndawo bhala subscribe emhlophe ngocofa pa uthola videos mwathi bafethu.